Savvy business owners and managers understand the advertising and communication potential of their facility ceilings. Utilizing this space properly has the potential to fully engage customers and employees. To maximize the potential of your ceiling, consider a magnetic hanging system. Hanging signs and visual displays with a magnetic hanging system allows you to strategically position your messages, including advertisements, value propositions, limited time specials, events, sales, decor, and other collateral you and your brand marketers want to use. Utilizing ceiling space will help connect customers to your brand, create a unique environment, relay important information, regulate the flow of traffic, and more. Make installing ceiling displays safe and easy. Hanging signs safely, effectively, and level is a difficult task. With a magnetic hanging system, installation of signs takes minimal time and effort and ensures a level hanging sign every time. Remove the need for bulky installation equipment. From retail locations, grocery stores, event venues, manufacturing facilities, churches, schools, universities, and beyond, magnetic hanging systems remove the need for bulky equipment. Ditch the ladder, scissor lifts, and bulky tools used to hang signs the old-fashioned way. The team at Ceiling Outfitters recommends the Clik-Clik magnetic hanging system, whose components work together seamlessly. These components include the mag pole, the mag mover, click magnets, and loop line. Now you can quickly install, change, move, and uninstall signs while keeping both feet on the ground. The patented Clik-Clik magnetic hanging system is readily available through Ceiling Outfitters, your online source for leading stock and customizable sign hanging solutions. To order or learn more, contact Ceiling Outfitters at 972-627-4692 or visit ceilingoutfitters.com.